Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Myself Arun, and today in this video we are going to discuss the solution of this linear question. Roman's food market located in Saratoga, New York, carries a variety of specialty foods from around the world. So they have many constants listed here, and this is a tabular format for the bean and the blend of regular and decaf, where they have mentioned for regular 75% and 25%, for Brazilian natural and Colombian mild. Similarly, for decaf, the same variables apply for 40% and 60% respectively. Again, they've used some of the variables here for the constants. So they've listed these constants, and now we just need to provide the optimal solution and the total contribution of the profit. So we have used Excel solver and Excel formulas to provide the optimal solution. Now here, this is the formulation tab where we have used the formulation maximizing the profits. And these all are constants that are derived from the question itself. As we can see here, this is a 1, 2, 3. These all are the statements that has been captured from the question itself. Now we have used Excel solver to derive our optimal solution. So these all are the values which we have derived from the question itself, and these are the decision variables, BR, CR, BD, and CD respectively. And these are the constants. And this is our maximized profit. So we have used Excel solver, which has provided us the value for 3233.75. And here we've used Excel formulas. These all are the formulas here, which has been captured along with through the question itself. So this is our optimal solution as discussed in the question. BR equals to 750, CR equals to 250, and BD equals to 200, and CD equals to 300. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and to get this solution, Excel solution, you can just message me out or email me. I will be sharing my details of WhatsApp and email in the description part of this video. So you can just reach me out anytime, whenever you want this solution. So thank you for taking this video and have a great day. Bye-bye. Take care.